under every footstep that you take in the woods. There's so many more organisms than you could ever imagine. My research questions are based in wanting to aid in the restoration and conservation of forests and other environments that are essential to this planet. My main project was looking kind of at ectomycorrhizal presence, diversity, and abundance in forests of different ages. I kind of hypothesized that because of the important and very interconnected roles that mycorrhizal fungi play, understanding what species are present where can give us a kind of look into one aspect of ecological health through a kind of soil lens. When planning my Div III, I made a little list of all of the things that I wish I knew how to do so I could ask the research questions that seemed important to me. And one of the biggest ones was how to extract fungal DNA from soil, not using microscopy. I wanted to use molecular techniques. And as soon as I figured out that I could learn how to do that, I was like, all right, what else? So then I kind of designed the study around the tools that I needed or felt like I needed to ask the questions that I want to be asking for potentially the rest of my life. I think Hampshire is a very special place. It's really important to me that there are these woods here and that there's freedom to be in them. My name is Fiona, and the title of my div is Ectomycorrhizal Diversity and Abundance, Understandings from Below.